Right now we are at Chatuchak Market. So that store right in front right is the one that Roy recommended. The famous coconut ice cream. Okay, so we just order coconut ice cream.
Look at this, red bean.
He ordered red bean,
Ice cream and coconut jelly.
And for me right, I order corn and just jelly.
Hi guys, I'm using Anson's phone to vlog for a while he go to the rubbish bin to throw his drink. I don't know whether you can see me, but yeah, this is the widest I can go. Is it nice, Anson?
Not bad, really. Okay, so right now Roy is looking at some socks. And there's some American fried rice. American fried rice at the back here. Basically, you look at the surroundings. It's all no air at all. The air can't escape. But overall, I think this place, right, the best food, right, so far is the coconut ice cream. So once you eat it, right, you feel a bit slightly refreshed. Adventure time. Okay, I think these are the few I'll buy. I saw in this food, in this store. These are the few I'll buy. So, cause you seldom see Singapore selling Note 5 phone cover already. So I hope I only show you two, right? I'll show you the third one first. This is the one. It's very nice. They are selling at 120 baht. Okay, so end up I did really buy the phone cover because it's really very nice. Very nice. It costs around 120 baht, so $6 in Singapore. But I think it's worth to get. Really very thick this cover. It's very hot. I'm really glad I wear this shirt. I really glad I wear this shirt out, the dry fit type. I did not regret for a moment because it's really damn hot out here. Alright, so we decided to head back to our apartment first. So after our apartment, we might head back to Yaowarat market. I don't know what's called the market, but we just go there. So we just came back out from our apartment. Wow, actually we made a right choice today. Leaving in our apartment, then leaving again. Not feel much fresher now. So heading out again to Chinatown and maybe do some challenge video which you guys will watch separate. I'll upload it separate from this vlog. We'll be spending time in Bangkok, total 6 days, but I'll upload 2 separate videos. So stay tuned for it guys in the video. Buy at the fitness shop. I have no idea what it is. Roy intro this shop. It's the Singly Fitness shop over here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. They are dining into the fitness right now. Very good. Alright, so we find this store at the toast. Look at how many people here. So we just bought the toast already. I don't know is it worth it still, but once we get out of Chinatown, we shall try it. Hopefully back in our apartment. Chocolate is nice.
Really?
Chocolate is nice.
But you still prefer kaya?
Based on individual. Right, hi guys, day 4 right now. We are at the Aesop Pier right now. As you can see, it's a boat behind, waiting for the boat to arrive. But we'll be heading to the graveyard today. Wow, I'm very excited for that. Very excited. So we just arrived at the last stop of the boat ride. The interchange. We just arrived. So right now, still walking towards the aeroplane graveyard. Hopefully we will see more. Meanwhile, there's a lot of temples over here. So this boat right, basically right, is they charge 17 baht per person other than the journey and the noise itself, right, it's quite cheap So it's quite an experience to be
Good experience.
to have when you are in Bangkok. So yeah. So we're going straight?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the airplane graveyard right now. We're still on the way to the airplane graveyard Not yet there, but this is actually just now where we alighted was in front somewhere there. And I noticed something. You see the kids over here behind there. All look very peaceful. Like a bit like Ubin lifestyle. Where you seldom see at Singapore. Bye bye. Let's just head to the airplane graveyard right now. Right now we are at the aeroplane graveyard. Look at the back. Look at the back, oh my god. Ah, look at the back. I've been waiting for this a very long time already. It's damn big, guys. I can't wait to go in, now. So actually this area, right, by right, you're not supposed to come in unless you give the respective in charge 200 baht. But I don't think it's a legal transaction so, but who cares, I think it's worth the money anyway. So I'll be heading over to the airplane right now. This is as close as you can get to see a live airplane on the floor Wow, it's really very nice view Just look at the graffiti behind me. Okay, how do you feel now? How excited are you right now seeing all this?
11 out of 10.
Wow, nice. Okay, so all three of us have climbed up already from down there. You'll see the footage in maybe Roy's vlog if he... I don't know what is all these Alex loves plane Yeah, but basically the floor right is like I know they put these parts all on the floor or what Okay, all this is like the crash site of the plane right now.
The plane is actually slanted as you can.
Yongchen right now telling me that the interior at the cockpit in the front right, he says it feels like a bit slanting, so I'm going there to take a look. Okay, in case you didn't know right, this is the emergency mask for you to breathe when the plane is about to crash. Yeah, right now I'm about to enter the cockpit. There you see, that's the driver's seat. Some electrical wires over here. And basically a lot of wiring going on back here Okay, since we are vlogging over here right, time for some B-roll. So roll the clips. So we already spent time inside the first plane for quite a amount of time already. So we decided it's time to move on to the next plane. This one looks easier to get in compared to the first one. Going up the plane right now, the biggest one now. Simple, it's easier than the first one. Okay, this one is, I take back my words, this one is quite hard to enter also. Because basically there's 3 levels on this plane. So technically right, we came down from the level below here. So this is, don't let this fool you we didn't come up from here, we came up from this hole actually. And look at how spacious it is. There's no way back down except that hole we came out from I'm not sure if we get ourselves into more trouble or we have more content to shoot but let's just see Yeah, right now we will be heading to the 3rd floor first. Hopefully it's easier because we see some people they went up these stairs over here. Okay, heading to the 3rd floor right now. I was saying earlier on, this is the stairs. I think it's easier to climb up than... It should be okay. It's a bit wider than the first one, I would say. But it's still... Hopefully the view is nice up here. Okay, so this is the 3rd floor. I'll show you the pilot seats right in front there. This is Boeing 747, the plane model. And the interior looks very nice compared to the first one we just went in. Let's browse around in the cockpit. The cockpit looks, oh my god, looks more destroyed than the first one. Even the chairs have all crumbled onto the floor already. But this is not as, oh my god, this is much more spacious than the first one. And you can even look outside. So it looks quite cool already. But basically the cockpit right, not as entertaining as the first one I would say. I noticed some people took pictures at this cockpit at this back window panel over here. But basically don't even have a place to sit. This is not even suitable for us already. I think after this right, after this we'll just move on to the next. Maybe we'll be exiting this area already We basically explore all the planes here already. Right now you see the wall behind us right. We are engraving our names there Not say vandalizing because this place already has been vandalized so much by many other people who came before us. Even there's, I don't know who draw this there's a picture of a cat here over. Okay, so we just did our engraving back there already. Heading out of this plane right now. Bye, my favorite airplane. Bye. Okay, so we just alighted at Siam BTS station. But look at the graffiti behind. Very nice. So after this we'll be heading to the ATM cafe which Roy recommended. hopefully it's worth a try lah. So let's move on already. Right, so we finally reached our destination, the ATM Cafe. I think I'm buying this one. Taste of Hokkaido.
Chocolate cookie 因为我觉得你会喜欢我。
Chocolate. I wanted to buy this, but the weather is very hot right now, so I'm buying this instead lah. I'll try to drink right now, so fingers crossed. Right now we are in the line store, where it's still browsing through all the toys. This one is the limited edition one. You should buy it.
诶，才1200哦，不是1200，我看错诶。It's only 1,100 plus.
So you should buy it. You should buy it. So Roy bought the line items already inside here. I'm very proud of him right now, cause we spend money together. I think after this we'll be heading to the Four Face Buddha Shrine. After that, maybe go for some praying a bit. After that, we'll head back to our apartment and find Yongqian. Hey, hi guys, right now we are at the Four Face Buddha. Basically, it's out of the 6 days, right? It's our first day praying over here, right? Next time we'll be praying a bit, and after that, heading back to our apartment already. So let's wrap it up quickly and head back. Okay, so we are back in the apartment. I'm about to close off the vlog, but before I close off the vlog, right, I'll be interviewing my 2 companions who have traveled with me these past 6 days. During our 6 days staying in Bangkok, right, what was the most memorable place that you have visited so far?
For me, the most memorable place would be the airplane graveyard, because it's something that some of us, we have the privilege to board the place, but we don't know what does it look like in the cockpit. So this airplane graveyard gives me an experience of how the airplane looks like, but then it's in a wreck state, so better than nothing.
Okay, so for the second question, right, so basically, right, during the 6 days in your stay also, what was the most nicest food that you have tasted?
The nicest food would be the milk bread that I bought in the Chinatown. The bread is like pretty worth the money because it's damn nice, and when the milk bread or the milk custard bread, it doesn't taste very jelak as compared to the chocolate, and yeah, that would be the nicest food.
So now that Yongqian has succeeded in answering all the questions, right, so now it's time for Roy to end my vlog. So it's the last one to end my vlog. So everybody clap for him. During these past few days that you stayed with us, what was the most likable place that you have visited?
Okay, so firstly, my most memorable place will be the airplane graveyard, which is also similar or the same as Yongqian, because I feel that this graveyard, right, I don't think you can find it anywhere in the world, and you won't be experienced, like you won't be able to know what's inside, and not many people will get a chance to see a wrecked airplane, and it's only available in Bangkok here. Yeah, that's my favorite, because we also get to take many cool shots and like group pics also. I feel that it's quite memorable. And one extra bonus thing I want to mention is that actually I had a cut on my pants when I was coming down from the airplane, because I didn't notice there was a scrap of metal, and it actually tore my pants quite a lot.
Okay, so if you could travel again once we are in Singapore, where would you rather be? Would you rather come back to Bangkok again, or would you rather travel to some other countries?
I think I will choose both options, which is come to Bangkok and go to other countries, because I feel like there are still a lot of places which I have not been to, because I feel that traveling is something that makes me happy, and you can also keep those photos and videos on your laptop, which you can see again like a few years later on, and you still feel the same happiness which you will get when you are there. So maybe I'll go to Japan for 2 weeks and come to Bangkok for 3 days.
Okay, so basically they answered all my questions. Luckily I thought of this, I don't have to answer any question. So yeah, see you on the next video, and bye.